With iProtectU Asset Management, managing tools, plant, IT and safety equipment is simple, smart and fully connected. Get a single source of truth for your entire asset lifecycle, from procurement and commissioning to inspection, servicing, repair and disposal. Reduce downtime, lower costs and make better decisions. Automated workflows handle schedules, sign-offs and approvals, so nothing gets missed. Scan QR codes in seconds to identify assets on site and keep work moving. Our customizable mobile app lets teams capture updates instantly from the field, with real-time submissions you can trust. Powerful dashboards and analytics, fully integrated with Microsoft 365, give you complete visibility across your business. Spot trends faster, stay audit ready, and stay in control with smart email and in-app alerts.